There you go. Right there. So you see we won't pump. Right there, okay? So what you do, like I said, take these 4 out. As well as the opposite side. Of course, typical Harbor Freight fashion, shit don't want to work. Anyway, so that's where we're going. Just take a rag, just get some of this debris out. Sorry about that, y'all. Right in there. So, what's that? Is a flathead. Come back over. If y'all can hear that, it's already bleeding off of air. Get that out. So if y'all can see, mine's got fluid in it. So you can see it jumping around. So go counterclockwise all the way, loosen it all the way up. I had to excuse my neighbor, man. He's riding his little motorcycle. So counterclockwise, as y'all see, counterclockwise. Just do it several times, and you can kind of feel the difference. Just a few rapid pumps. Get that air purging out of it. Take your screw. Go back in. Screwdriver. Tighten it down. So yeah, we're gonna turn clockwise to lock it in place. Now we're locked. And there you go. So that is how you fix a jack that won't jack. So that's if you have fluid. If you don't have fluid, just the little screw that I took out, put your fluid in there, jack oil, and I will put some jack oil with stop leak in there, because these things, if they're not used, if they sit around a while, they will leak. So they will leak right in here, or the actual hydraulic cylinder on the back or up under it. So anyway, hopefully this helps some of you guys. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all on the next one.